Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the oil level sensor on most Volkswagen, Audis, Seats and Skodas. The oil level sensor on those cars is located underneath the engine on just at the crankcase, and location of it is right there. First we need to drain the oil, and then we can start removing the oil level sensor. The oil level sensor is held by 3 bolts and one electrical connector. First we're going to remove the electrical connector, and then we're going to remove the 3 bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the 3 bolts are removed, I'm going to pull out the oil level sensor. Now I'm going to replace it with the new one. I'm going to put it back on, then tighten the 3 bolts and put on the electrical connector. After I assemble everything in the reverse order, next I'm going to fill the oil, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.